Step inside a stunning transformation where a modest Victorian home is brought back to life. Original features shine through reclaimed wood, rich wallpapers, and custom joinery, blending timeless charm with smart, character-filled design.
Emily Dobbs is a London-based interior designer renowned for her ability to blend theatrical flair with historical sensitivity, particularly evident in her project. With a background in West End theater production, Dobbs brings a unique narrative-driven approach to her designs, creating spaces that are both visually captivating and deeply personal. In the project, Dobbs undertook a comprehensive transformation of a compact two-bedroom Victorian house. The project involved stripping away modern alterations to reveal and restore original period features such as fireplaces and architectural details. She employed a rich palette of colors and materials, ancient stone, reclaimed wooden floors, and opulent wallpapers to infuse the home with warmth and character. Cabinetry and joinery were used throughout to maximize space, including floor-to-ceiling bookshelves in the study and bespoke wardrobes in the bedrooms.
personalities and stories of their inhabitants. She often incorporates vintage finds, artisan pieces, and bold patterns to evoke a sense of history and individuality. Her work is characterized by a balance between practicality and theatricality, ensuring that each room is both functional and expressive. Beyond the project, Dobbs has worked on various other ventures, including the Edwardian restoration and the Georgian townhouse. In these, she continues to showcase her talent for blending historical elements with contemporary design. Her work has been featured in publications like The Guardian. These features highlight her transition from theater to interior design and her distinctive approach to creating emotionally resonant spaces.